go because today we're drawing Hello Kitty. So let's get started. A good old kitty she is. A line right here for the top of her head. This will be her ear, just like that. Bring it on down like that. That's looking nice. Big old circle just around here like that. That's looking really good. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give Hello Kitty a bow in her hair. So let's draw the bow right here, like that. That's looking good. A nice circle for the middle of the bow. And then we continue the bow out like this. There we go, that looks nice. Give it a little bit of a tweak here. Yeah, that looks nice. And let's not forget her ear at the top of that bow, right about there. And now we can continue her face down around there. That's looking nice. And we're gonna leave a little gap there because we're gonna give Hello Kitty a big old wave. So let's bring her body on down like this. That looks nice. Same over here, just like this. There we go. Join that up like that. And this will be the bottom where her legs come together, just like that. That looks nice. And now Hello Kitty can give us that wave we were talking about. Right here. Room for her thumb. Very nice, everyone. Big line like that. Looking good. And we'll bring her other arm down like this. And a line across like that where her hand is. This is looking beautiful, everyone. Let's not forget her whiskers now. 1, 2, 3. Same over here. 1, 2, 3. And her eyes. Big old eyes for Hello Kitty. 1, 2. And her nose. Just like that. She's looking very cute, isn't she? Now let's give her a bit of a neck. And we can join up her bottom of her shirt or skirt right about here like that. There we go. Hello Kitty doesn't really have a mouth, I don't think, so we're looking good. Let's get to the color. Pink for her bow and her dress, yellow for her nose, and black for her eyes. Thanks, everyone.